Budget insurance. Affordable because you can't afford not to.
Hello and welcome to a very rare drag race where there are two manual gearboxes. This, the Renault Megane RS 300 Trophy, is up against equally powered Civic Type R.
This one is going to be the last of the wheel spinners that takes this one. So whoever wheel spins the least is probably going to be the winner.
This is the ultimate track car drag race. Cars that were made to go around corners, we've now put them on a straight line. Here we go. I'm going to short shift this bad boy. Pop, pop, pop. Second.
Oh, he's right next to me.
Oh, it's close! To fourth, come on!
I hit the limit today a little bit, but I think I still got him.
Come on! Come on!
Yes, I did across the line. It's so close. Oh my God, that was close.
Never! No!
That was so close.
No! 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 No!
That was too close. I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to do this anymore. Ash, I think we're done here. I think we're done. I don't want to do this again.
Damn it, man! Oh, what a race. Nice one, Ernest.
Cars.co.za is so much more than just a YouTube channel. Take our app for instance. It's been downloaded over 500,000 times in the Android store alone, which means it must be okay, right? You'll find the links to the download for iOS and Android in the description below.
Budget insurance. Affordable because you can't afford not to.